I like bringing you guys new subscription boxes, and so I'm really pleased to be sharing CAUSEBOX with you guys. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, I do have a monthly giveaway going on right now. I'll put that in the description box down below, and then as soon as this channel reaches 200 subscribers, we will be giving away free beauty products. So make sure that you are subscribed and stay tuned for that. So whenever I get a new subscription, I do like to read just a quick little bit about it. So CAUSEBOX is a quarterly subscription box that focuses on curating limited edition box of useful products from social conscious brands. CAUSEBOX partners with amazing companies to empower women across the world. CAUSEBOX also donates to charities directly to help bring awareness in environmental concerns. And it's $49.95 a box. This is the spring box, and they shipped out because I just recently signed up, and I'm assuming that the summer box will come out shortly. So let's dive into this box. One of the things that I do love about CAUSEBOX is all the products are cruelty free. So when you first open it up, it looks like this. It just says CAUSEBOX there at the lid. And then all your products are on the inside. There's kind of a fairly big item on top. I will take that out, and then the rest of the products are down here. There is a pamphlet in here that talks about all the different products inside the box as well. So here is the Megan. You could have gotten this in the blush pink. This one is cloud gray or in black. It does retail for $120. It has 8 total pockets. The material is a vegan leather, adjustable double metal button closure. Here's those 2 closures to allow for larger items. The item is made with a pebble texture vegan leather with a matte finish. And then you've got a big pocket here. I would put like my either laptop, iPad, anything like that in. Here's a kind of crisscross pockets here where there's 1, 2, 3, 4 here. You've got 2 spots here for pins. On this side, you've got spots for business holder cards. And then you also have a front pocket here as well that says Glass Leather Company embossed in it. This is really, really beautiful. I love this. Here's a cute little postcard. The person who designed the front of the box. It is by Elijah Horvath. By Marina de Buchi is this gorgeous bracelet called You Are My Moon and Stars. It has the moon and the stars there. I love this company because it says our mission is to fight human trafficking. By choosing this bracelet, you are contributing to set victims free. We love you to use your bracelet to raise awareness and speak out on behalf of those who cannot speak for themselves. Together we can change the world. Love this. Great talking point. It is gold plated. It's $37. The Freedom Bracelet Collection is designed by Marina de Buchi in London, England. The dainty bracelet with a beautiful card makes the perfect gift for your loved one, for yourself, or a sentimental piece. The Luxe collection is plated and designed to last a lifetime. It's dainty 6 to 8 inch chain with adjustable links to make the chain fit your ideal length, beautifully presented on it. And with every online purchase, they contribute 10% of the sales price to help fight human trafficking. Love that, and it's a really pretty piece. Somebody talks to, oh, that's so pretty. Oh, you can talk to them about it. So I really like this. From Cleobella is this really pretty Merigold scarf. be really gorgeous on. You could put it on a on your purse, wear it as a headscarf. All sorts of cute little things that you can do with it. So annual members had the choice between this color, the rose, or so kind of like a pink tone one, or a blue sky tone one. The Silky scarf retails for $52. The scarves are made from a soft and silky vegan fabric, and the substantial size allows them to be worn in countless ways. I mean, this is really, really big. Additionally, proceeds from all Cleobella products go to care.org to support international women's education products. They are 33 inches wide by 33 long, so it's obviously just a big square. I think this is super pretty. And like with like a black shirt, this would be so chic. I love that all these companies have a philanthropy side. This is Altru Macrame plant hanger. I was just thinking about these kind of plant hangers recently. I'm thinking about how cool it would be. I remember as a kid kind of making these. And so what these guys have done, because of all the recent wildfires last year, they have donated 8,000 trees. How cool is that? So this retails for $14. So here is what it kind of looks like. It's got the hanger on this side, and then you just kind of put your plant in here. And you could also use this, I've seen people use this for bowls, and they'll put a bowl inside, like a fruit bowl and stuff, and you can hang it in your kitchen as well and save on your counter space. If you're not new to my channel, I have been on the hunt lately for a good new toner. So I'm excited about this one. This is the Kalos Mist Congeniality Rose Water Hydro Mist, Rose Aloe Chamomile, and has a witch hazel in it. 100% naturally derived, 79% organic. This is 4 fluid ounces, retails for $22. This delicate mist provides immediate hydration while improving overall skin tone. Rose, aloe, and chamomile work synergistically to assist the healing process of skin. Perfect for all skin types, Mist Congeniality generates skin plumping moisture to reveal glowing skin. After cleansing, spray over face, neck, and décolletage. Continue to use this serum, treatment, and moisturizer for a moment of self-care. Spray anytime throughout the day to feel refreshed and hydrated. I would probably use this as a toner, but let's give it a little spritz. It has a really, it's not a harsh rose scent. It has a really soft, so I'm gonna really like trying this one out, and I'll let you guys know what I think. From Wyld is their Konjac Facial Cleansing Sponge. Retails for $16.90. It is for dry, sensitive skin. It doesn't really have a scent to it. It does have a little hanger so you can hang it up. It's not coarse or anything, but it would gentle exfoliating sponge made from 100% natural Konjac plant, infused with ultra soothing fresh pink clay to purify pores without drying your skin, nourishing and promoting healthy skin. Leaves skin soft and dewy. Results are soft, even glowing skin, visibly less flakes, bumps, and redness. Healthy skin for life. Great results with or without your everyday cleanser. So I'll have to give this one a try. From Cosmetics, I recently tried their Jade Roller. This is their Glow Bamboo Brightening Mask. Retails for $54. It is 2.6 fluid ounces, so it's pretty good size. And it's a multi-purpose bamboo brightening mask, and it's scrub, packed, and exfoliated for skin brightening ingredients for a clearer, smoother looking complexion that truly glows. So if you guys don't know, I do a masking review series where I review different masks. So I will definitely be trying this one out in one of those upcoming masking videos. I love wearing sleeping masks, like the big eye mask, when I'm taking a nap during the day or anytime I really want to block out light. This one retails for $15. And sleep is imperative to health and beauty. A good beauty sleep helps prevent wrinkles, brighten your complexion, and counteracts eye puffiness. Crafted with our Wyld 100% organic bamboo Elixir fabric, this incredibly soft and light cushioned eye mask sits softly against your face to block out light for uninterrupted rest. The smooth, hyperallergenic, antibacterial, and breathable fabric will also keep your eyes cool throughout the night without irritating your skin and rubbing your eyelashes. Machine washable, eco-friendly, and vegan alternative to silk eye masks. With this first box, you know, you got your eye mask, you got your face scrubber, the Macrame plant hanger. So it's kind of like a I would call it a beauty and lifestyle box. You know, you've got your eye mask, your rose toner, this gorgeous postcard. This artist is just amazing. The silk scarf, super chic, and then your moon and stars necklace. And then your portfolio. I am in love with every single thing in here. I think this was amazing. What were your favorite products? If you get this box, let me know that. And if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does mean a lot to me when you subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.